Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about easy ways to save money like crazy. 1. Believe you can save money. Before you start saving money, take a good hard look at your money beliefs. Are you the type of person that believes money will always be tight and nothing good comes easy? Do you find yourself repeating idioms such as, money is the root of all evil? In my YouTube video on the top 20 money hacks, I shared a story about the elephant and the rope. This folk tale highlights the power of belief and how limiting beliefs can hold us back. So it makes sense the greatest step you can take towards saving money is simply believing that you can. 2. Identify needs vs. wants. We tend to use want and need interchangeably in today's society when in reality they are two very different things. What is a need? A need is something that you absolutely must have to survive and exist, like food, shelter, or water. These are the most basic of human needs. On the other hand, what are wants? Wants are things we desire or crave, but don't necessarily need. For example, you don't always need to upgrade your iPhone to get the latest model if the old one is perfectly fine. When you find yourself thinking about buying, ask yourself if it's a want or a need. You might be surprised. 3. Budget your money. If you want to save money, you need to know where your money is going each month. It's important to track your spending and have a plan for your monthly income, which means you need to create a budget. 4. Set smart money goals. Did you know that people who write down their goals are 42% more likely to achieve them? But don't just write down any old goals. Your goals need to be smart. S equals specific. M equals measurable. A equals attainable. R equals relevant. T equals time-based. Let's compare a smart goal to a non-smart goal. Non-smart, I want to save money. Smart, I will save $5,200 by the end of the year, or $100 a week. Clear goal setting is an important step to creating a financial life plan for yourself. 5. Make saving automatic. A lot of people focus on saving what money is left after spending, but that's actually backward. Instead, focus on putting away as much as possible before you even have the chance to spend it. Plan a set amount to transfer and stick to that when you get paid by transferring it out right away. Pro tip: earn more money back by using a high-yield savings account like CIT Bank or American Express high-yield savings account. 6. Prioritize paying off debt. If you have debt, especially debt with high interest rates, it makes sense to pay the debt off first instead of simply saving. This is because paying off debt means you're not wasting money on interest rates, and it's also a good idea if your credit score has taken a hit. It may be tempting to use that extra cash for something else when eliminating an expense this large, but really think about how much more the payoff will add up over time. If you have lots of debt, there are plenty of personal finance books that focus on hammering away at your debt fast, like Dave Ramsey's Snowball Method. You can read more about how we paid off $250,000 debt in 5 years by clicking here. 7. Practice the 30-day rule. What is the 30-day rule? This simple rule is an effective way to be more intentional and stick with your resolutions and savings goals by making it easier for yourself. The 30-day rule works like this. If you want to buy something or spend money on an expense that is not listed in the needs section of your budget, groceries, then you need to think about it for at least 30 days. If 30 days pass and you still want to buy the item, then you can go ahead with your purchase. It's an easy and clever way to curb impulse spending. 8. Find free ways to have fun. Who says you need to go to the movie theater to watch a movie, eat expensive popcorn, and drink costly and unhealthy sodas? There are plenty of free ways to have fun, like renting free movies at your local library, playing a game at home, or going for a nature walk. Sure, going out to dinner is romantic, but so is cooking dinner together. 9. Find free or cheap swaps. Why pay for bottled water when you can drink perfectly good water from the tap? Even if you have hard water, you can buy a Brita water filter like this one that will give you clean water for weeks, and all you have to do is replace the filter now and then. Other free or cheap swaps include swapping reusable bags for plastic at the store, ride a bike instead of driving your car, even just here or there, change regular bulbs to high-efficiency LED lighting, buy reusable straws instead of plastic, make your own natural cleaning products at home. 10. Start meal planning. Have you ever forgotten that something was in your pantry, only to rediscover it after it had long expired? Or grabbed an eggplant with the best of intentions, only to have no idea what to do with it and ended up throwing it away? If you make a meal plan at the start of each week, you will know exactly what you want to buy at the grocery store, what meals you are going to make, and how to cook them and store them for maximum efficiency. 11. Start a side hustle. If you are an extremely frugal person, you already know this. There's only so much you can cut from your budget before there's nothing left to cut. Starting a side hustle is one of the best money hacks to save more money because it allows you to earn extra income. A little-known side hustle benefit is that it offers more flexibility than most jobs. You can do as much or as little as you want. Many people find that they are too busy with their day-to-day work lives to commit to self-employment or go back into school for an advanced degree, but that a side hustle can fit nicely into their busy life. 12. Say no to prepackaged foods. Convenience is costing you big money. Buying pre-made food is convenient, but the price per unit of energy and nutrients you get out of it isn't worth it. You're paying for packaging and advertising instead of real ingredients. The best way to save money with your grocery shopping is to buy raw, or even in bulk when possible, or DIY your meals at home. 13. Grow your own herbs and food. No matter if you have a full yard or just a balcony, there are always ways to grow your own foods and herbs to save money at home. It's really satisfying to eat food that you've grown with your own hands. And if you have too much, you can also pickle and can your own foods. So many possibilities. 14. Challenge yourself. Low buy, no spend. If saving money feels like a chore, you might not want to do it. But if it feels like a fun game, sign me up. You're more likely to stick to your budget if you are enjoying challenging yourself. And there are all sorts of saving and spending challenges you can participate in to help you maximize your moolah. Common challenges include no-buy challenges, low-buy challenges, no-spend challenges. These challenges can last anywhere from one day to a full year or more, and each has its own set of rules and goals. Run a search on Google or YouTube and prepare to get inspired to save. 15. Use coupons when you can. You can go as crazy as you want with couponing, but you can also just carry around any coupons as you get them in your wallet. Before making an online purchase, see if there are any current discount coupon codes for the website you are shopping at. You can often find 10%, 25%, and free shipping codes for your favorite stores. 16. Do a weekly financial check-in. Take some time during the week to review your expenses, savings goals, and spending habits. The more you know about where your money is going, the better decisions you can make on how it should be spent to reach those goals. You can do this alone or with your partner. It's great when everyone knows what page they're on, including yourself. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel for more frugalism videos. Thank you for watching.